different recipes like string beans and, you know, anything else, I'm making this very easy string beans recipe. So first thing I did, I put a little bit of olive oil. And then after I added the olive oil, what I put, I chopped up some garlic, you know, crushed and chopped up really small. And then I added them into, you know, the hot oil. The oil had to be hot. And then I chopped up some red onions. And I put that in the pot as well, so I can saute them together. And as you can see, my garlic is all brown, and the onions, I'm still waiting to get a little bit of color so I can add my string beans. And then, once I add my string beans, what I'm going to do is put the top on it, cover it, add salt and pepper, and anything else that you want to add in there for more flavor. You can salt, pepper, what else? Adobo, anything else. But it's very easy. But it's going to be very flavorful because you have your garlic, your onions, you know, so put salt and pepper and any other type of seasonings that you have that you feel will go great with this and give it more flavor. So now that my onions are getting a little color, I'm going to get my string beans and add them in there. I'm washing my string beans, and then I'm going to add them as we go. And then steam that. Okay. So now that my string beans are in the pot, I'm gonna cover it up, lower the fire, because you don't want to burn it, or since you know you're not gonna add any water, so you just want it to steam. And then as it steams, what you're gonna do is once it you know it starts to soften up a little bit, I don't want to add the salt and pepper and anything else that I'm adding right now. So I'm just going to add them, you know, once everything is all softened and, you know, looking like the season or the salt will actually get in there. So I won't do it right now, but I will do it once, you know, the beans and stuff is cooked, or at least, you know, you could, because right now it's still hard. So I'll add that after it steams. And then, you know, flip it up, mix it up, and serve it. So I hope that was helpful. But as of right now, we're gonna steam this and see when you make it yourself. So whatever seasoning you're gonna add into this, you know, all you're doing is adding salt, pepper, and you know, if you have some Mrs. Dash, you could also add a little bit of that in there to give it flavor, and then mix that all up and then serve it once it's cooked.